What's up everyone, my name is Faz and welcome back to my Sketch UX UI design tutorial series. And in this video we are going to learn how to create beautiful fancy form into Sketch. So example, I am going to teach you that how to create this kind of form, which means so much dynamic, flexible, which means you can easily switch your states, colors, fonts, lots of more things, whatever you want. Let's move into the video and play around with this form and teach you guys how to create a fancy dynamic form into Sketch. So guys, let's start it. So before starting this form, let me tell you something about this. So this is my basic setup to design a form. Second thing I'm going to do, I'm going to call this states like active, valid, error states, as well the fonts color. So it will represent that what is active right now, what is valid right now, and how is error looking like. So first thing what I am going to do, I am going to create all symbols of my basic values. So I have names, I have created the structure, like I have form, inside the form input and the base, and then again form, inside form I have tags, and again, and same as form icon drop down. So I'll tell you how it works. So let me copy this and let me convert this create symbol and just paste over here. Again, how just like simply we have created symbol. So let me give you an example. When you will click on this plus icon and you will call your symbol, so see, this is your form, and inside the form all things is organized like tags and the base and drop down icon. So it is so much easier to arrange everything, so it is very good. So now let me delete this. Now I'm going to design this form like this 8 pixel, and this one is like 16 pixel, and this one is my drop down icon. I'm just going to place over here. So like this, it's so much quickly I have done. And now what I'm going to do, I am going to create again a new symbol of my all elements. Just click on symbol, and right now this is my main input. So inside form I have main input, so it is good to call this property as input. So now what you will see right now, so you can see my all symbols are overloading over here. It is very simple. So let me quickly organize all symbols. So just simply, first thing is my label, just drag up, and second one is my value, and third one is my drop down, and fourth this one. Also you can change the name to recognize this, what is it. So if I say this is my label, so when I click on the return button, you will see how clearly you can see everything. You can quickly change whatever you want. So let's suppose example, you don't want this small drop down icon over here, just click on none. It's so much easier. So right now I am going to create the states of my active, valid, and error. So just simply, first of all I have to go inside my symbol. It's easier. Just this is your base, and let me duplicate this. Like simply just press Alt in your keyboard and just drag down. And also you can duplicate by using Command D like this. It's so easier. And now I'm going to change the name. Like first one is oops, it's a second one is active. Let me change all. So I have changed all names. Let me delete this last one. So what I'm going to do, so just simply I am going to call this styling inside my symbol. Just select this and right click and copy style, and so just right click and paste style. See, now I can show you what happened. Select this, and now see this base and when I click on this drop down, you can see now it's so much flexible. You can change everything quickly. It's so much easier. Now the same thing I'm going to do with value. So just duplicate my value. So let me quickly change my name again. Like this one is active and other also. And the last one is my placeholder. So in this I'm not going to change the any value. So just simply first I change the name placeholder, and what I will do inside this, I will select this value and just set some opacity, like kind of disable value, simply like this. Okay, that's great. So right now I'm going to follow the same principle, like going to copy this style from my values. Just simply right click and copy style, so it will copy same style over here. Fine, so same as all. So I have my all style over here, so let me check it's working or not. So quickly go inside your make symbol and just check. Let's suppose I have my active field, so I have my active base, and according to this base I have my active this. That's really amazing. Quickly we have a only single field and we make different states, so it's amazing. You know, it is so much easier to manage everything. So right now I'm going to create a form by using form field. So let me call the input first, simply like this. I am going to change the width over here like 500. So now you will see one issue. So now you can see there is an icon which is not looking good right now, and something is happening which is not good for this. So if I resize this, so I'll face some little issue over here. So how I can fix it? So there is simple thing, just double click on your main input and now set your label resizing. Just stick left and top, and same as this one, top, and this one is right and top, and fix width, fix height, and also this one top and left. Okay, amazing. Now you can see it's fixed. Okay, now let me disable the drop down icon and quickly duplicate my all fields which I require for my form, and this one is 1 2 3 and delete this one. Okay, so right now I'm going to use two fields over here, so I'm going to convert this into half. So just going to use mathematics over here. Just simply select and go inside your size and just divide by 2 and give the margin 10 pixel. So now you will see if I duplicate this, so now you can see it's 20 pixel. Wow, that's amazing. And now there's a one single issue. You can see the text is getting overhide, so just double click on this. You have to simply, what you have to do, just simply resize the width of your labels. So now it fixed. So let me quickly add the content over here. So right now I have my content in my form, so let me quickly change the states. And this one is kind of missing something. In country we didn't select anything, so what we can do, we can show the base, default base, and right now I'm going to use placeholder. So now you can see it is not showing that field is visible, and also I'm going to add the drop down icon which will represent that this is a drop down. This is drop down, so simply click icon. So now you have icon. So how quickly you have created your form. So simply just let me styling over here. So I have something like which I have created for this form. So this is beautiful graphic which I am going to put over here. So like this is looking so much beautiful as I expected. So now you can see this is MacBook, different MacBook, and this one is my form. Okay, so now let me create a single button over here for sign up. account or create account. So simply I am going to copy this style, this one, just right click and copy this gradient, whatever style it has, and paste this style. Fine, and give 100% border radius, and also set this one gradient which look more beautiful, and also add some tags like sign up or create account, whatever, and just give some like extra bold and text upper, and it will be 18 pixel create, and some tag styling like this, and middle align, center align, and also going to add some shadow to look more beautiful like this, and kind of this one, and just going to put some transparency in my button so it will look more beautiful. Fine. So one thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to select all and just group all things and center. And right now I'm going to give you a pro tip over here, guys. Let's suppose you have a group of your all element like this, and now just click on auto layout and see the magic, and set left align, and also do one thing, just pin on top and pin on left. So what will happen, let's suppose I have to move this country on top or move the email below. So what I can do, I just simply select and just move this like this. So it is so much easier, quickly I can do, it is so much easier. So if I require that I want to increase the padding of my whole form, I can simply do from here like 36, 15 pixel margin or whatever, 36. So it is kind of cool sign up form which we made very quickly. So I hope you learned something from here and you will try with yourself, or if you want this file in my description below, you can download this file, you can do practice and you can make your own design perfectly. I hope you like this tutorial and you learned something or something today. If you like this video, please hit the like button, or if you are new or watching me, so hit the red button and smash it and play with this. Hit that red button and subscribe my channel. And guys, I'll see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching me. Thanks a lot.